1. There are many benefits for restaurants to have access to working capital. 1. Expansion opportunities. Access to working capital up to $2 million enables restaurants to explore expansion opportunities, whether it's opening new locations, renovating existing ones, or even venturing into different markets. 2. Equipment upgrades and technology. Restaurants can invest in state-of-the-art equipment and technology to enhance efficiency, streamline operations, and provide a better overall dining experience for customers. 3. Marketing and advertising. With a significant working capital, restaurants can invest in robust marketing and advertising campaigns. 3. This can help increase brand visibility, attract new customers, and build a loyal customer base. 4. Menu innovation. Restaurants can experiment with new and innovative menu offerings, keeping their offerings fresh and appealing to a diverse customer base. 4. This can contribute to increased sales and customer satisfaction. 5. Staff training and development. Investing in the training and development of staff can lead to improved service quality, increased productivity, and a positive work environment, which ultimately benefits the overall customer experience. 6. Inventory management. Having sufficient working capital allows restaurants to manage their inventory effectively. 6. They can purchase ingredients in bulk, take advantage of discounts, and reduce waste, leading to cost savings and improved profit margins. 7. Adaptation to trends. The restaurant industry is dynamic, with trends constantly evolving. 7. Access to working capital allows restaurants to adapt quickly to changing consumer preferences, ensuring they stay competitive in the market. 8. Emergency funds. Working capital provides a financial safety net for unforeseen circumstances, such as equipment breakdowns, sudden maintenance needs, or unexpected economic downturns. 8. Having a financial cushion ensures that the restaurant can weather unexpected challenges without compromising its operations. 9. Negotiating power. With a healthy working capital, restaurants have stronger negotiating power with suppliers, allowing them to secure better terms, discounts, or bulk purchase deals. 9. This can contribute to cost savings and improved profitability. 10. Debt management. Restaurants can use working capital to manage existing debts, reducing financial strain and freeing up resources for strategic investments and growth initiatives. 11. Customer loyalty programs. Investing in customer loyalty programs can foster repeat business. 11. Restaurants can use working capital to develop and implement loyalty initiatives, rewarding customers for their patronage and encouraging them to return. 12. Diversification of revenue streams. Working capital enables restaurants to diversify their revenue streams, such as offering catering services, creating partnerships, or developing retail products. 12. This diversification can contribute to more stable and sustainable income. 13. Green initiatives. Restaurants can invest in environmentally friendly practices and technologies, aligning with the growing demand for sustainability. 13. This can not only attract environmentally conscious customers but also lead to long-term cost savings through energy efficiency measures. In summary, access to working capital up to $2 million empowers restaurants to invest strategically in various aspects of their business, driving growth, improving efficiency, and ensuring long-term sustainability in a competitive industry. Go to www.fundingapprovedfast.com and apply today for the funding you need to grow your business.